pasensya na po. Wala po akong panibagong lead tungkol sa totoong pumatay kay Attorney Meredith Simmons.
Hindi naman yun ang dahilan kung bakit ka namin pinatawag. Aside from your current investigation, meron kaming nais na ipagawa sa yung iba.
Ano po yun?
We want you to do a thorough background checkup on Attorney Renan Alon.
Sige po, Attorney De Leon. Pero maaari ko po bang malaman kung bakit kayo interesado dito kay Attorney Renan Alon?
We just want to cover all bases. Malakas ang kutob namin na magiging susi si Attorney Renan para malaman ang totoong killer ni Meredith at para malinis na yung pangalan ng anak namin.
Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You deserve as much. Yes, babe. For a very long time, masama rin ang loob ko kay Attorney Meredith. I held it in for so long. Pero nung nalaman ko na namatay siya, and that Keystone needed a lawyer para sa murder case niya, I took the job. Because I wanted to see for myself. Gusto ko malaman mismo kung anong klaseng tao yung nabayang matagal kong inisip na dahilan kung bakit nawalan ng hustisya si Mama. Pero alam mo, babe, ang nakausap ko yung mga taong malapit sa kanya. Do you know what I discovered? I found out that she was a kind, honest woman. Na minsan hindi siya gumawa ng kahit na anuman para madungisan yung integridad niya, babe. She was a woman of honor. Kaya nung malaman ko yun, finally, nalet ko na lahat ng galit na itinanim ko sa puso ko para sa kanya, para kay Mang Kanor. I was finally able to let go. Move on. Finally, I was able to accept yung ruling ng korte dati na inosente nga si Mang Kanor. And I moved on.
Nung niligawan mo ako, were you being honest? Gusto mo na ba talaga ako noon pa? O pinursu mo lang ako para pagbuntunan ako ng galit mo kay Matty before?
My intentions with you have always been honest from the beginning. You are the main reason kung bakit nakapaghilom lahat ng sugat sa puso ko, babe. It was you. You made me believe that despite all the cruel and nasty things that could happen in this world, babe, there are still people capable of good.
Pero bakit hindi mo sinabi sa akin lahat ng to? Bakit kailangan sa iba ko pa pwedeng malaman? Kasi kung mahal mo ako, sasabihin mo sa akin yan eh. Di ba?
I was scared. Natakot ako pagdudahan mo ako, babe. That if you knew the truth, lalayuan mo ako. Mawawala ka sa akin. that. Babe. I love you. I love you so much. I could never do anything to ruin that. So yung binibintang nila sa akin, wala akong kinalaman doon. I have nothing to do with Mang Kanor's disappearance, babe. Nothing. I would never do that. I love you. Babe, ayoko maglihim sa'yo. Hirap na akong magtago at maglihim sa'yo, babe. Kaya gusto ko naman talaga sabihin sa'yo lahat eh. I was gonna tell you. Naunahan lang talaga ako ng ate mo. Babe. You know I love you so much, right? Never do anything to jeopardize that, babe. Please, you have to believe me. I love you with all my heart.
Mahal din kita, Renan. And because of my feelings for you, at alang-alang sa magiging anak natin, I will give you the benefit of the doubt. I will not pass judgment on you hanggat patuloy pa yung kaso. Pero kapag napatunayan ko na lahat
Babe,
ng sinasabi ni Ate
I am
Lynette ay
telling you
totoo,
the truth. I really am. You have to believe me. I am telling you the truth. Babe, hindi ko kaya sirahin yung tiwala mo dahil mahalaga ka sa akin, importante ka sa akin, ikaw ang pinaka-importanting tao sa akin, kayong dalawa. Kaya sana huwag nating hayaang maging hadlang to sa mga plano natin, babe. Please. Tuloy na natin yung kasal. Please.
I'm sorry, Renan. But I think it's best na wag na muna nating ipilit. Gusto ko na ma-resolve muna yung kaso before we make the next move. And I hope you understand that.
Of course. Completely, babe. If that's your decision, wholeheartedly, I will respect it. Come on. You want water? I'll go get some.